Early childhood development centers in the Free State were in a state of crisis. Their conditions were appalling, and they were not conducive for the development of children, especially at their formative years. Their structures were made mostly of corrugated iron. Teachers were untrained, and records were not properly kept. Most of the children resorted to roaming the streets, risking their lives on a daily basis in search of food that does not exist. A sad legacy of apartheid. Department of Social Development in the province devised a strategy that will alleviate the problem and ensure that state-of-the-art centers are built.
We have a MEC who is really passionate about development of children, and because of the shared an arrangement with the practitioners within the province, where instead of paying them 15 rands per child per day, they're paying them 14 rands per child per day, and the 1 rand is used for providing infrastructure. And in this way, us as National Development Agency has been asked to project manage this project. And therefore, we have provided early childhood development structures. We have provided the renovations of some of the structures within the province. And this cost us 7.5 million, which comes from the Department of Social Development.
The strategy has resulted in new centers being built in the province and handed over to communities.
This crash was officially opened by Dr. Vieira Klapo, CEO of the National Development Agency, and Mrs. Ntombela, MEC for Social Development, on 1 June 2020.
Tabong Educare Center. This Educare Center was built by the Department of Social Development under the leadership of MEC Mrs. Ntombela and project managed by the National Development Agency. It was officially opened by the National Minister of the Department of Social Development, Mayor Bathabile Dlamini, on this beautiful 3rd of October.
Uqala ukuhamba ikreche ekhaya kwaqala ukuhamba umfowethu ongilamayo. And bonke laba abasilamayo are very brilliant because baqala ECD center, because that is where you open ingqondo yomntwana. It is the foundation. And siyabonga nani ukuthi nivuma ukuthi kuthathwe irand, but uMantombela ubengalithathi irand anikhohlisa. So niyalibona irand ukuthi lingakanani manje. Yes, irand is doing wonders for us.
project has touched many lives, even in the far-flung rural areas of the province.
Ons geldomstandighede in Limpopo is baie swak. Werkloosheid is die meeste, armoede is die meeste. Baie van ons kinders het rondgeloop in die strate en toe het dat die stigter van die kleuterskool sy het besluit om hierdie crash te begin om ons kinders uit die verknorsing uit buite uit te hou. Die verkragsyfer ons kinders is ook daar uit gered. Hier by die kleuterskool kry hulle 2 maaltye wat baie van hulle nie bevoorreg is om by die huis te hê nie.
En ons is baie bly sodat hulle vir ons die trainings ook gegee het en om vir ons te leer hoe om die kinders te leer. Hulle het vir ons baie dinge geleer wat ons nie geken het. En ons is bly daaroor. Ons sal ook ons nageslagte kan leer waarvan ons afkom by die kabinet, by die kleuterskool.
So NDA la re thusa haholo hobane e sena moo ka kena bona teng tsa maemo. So e re thusa haholo haholo.
Ba re fund social development, ba re fa tšhelete for bana, equipment le dijo tsa bana le di-salary tsa staff dikeleng.
Mme Mantombela go lebohile haholo o bontshitse tshebedisano mmoho le rona wa re thusa haholo fihlela mona jwale ka ho ra o leboha.
Ga bona ntho tse ntle go tswa ho NDA jwale mme Ntombela ga ntse ga wa ikhala sa ga di diranta tsa ntsana tsa dikrishi di kopantse mo go a wona wete ke social development le NDA.
So ke le matlanta teng motho ka ba thuse ka teng ba dithuso dikopo tse ne re di etsa di phethahetse gore di karabo re di fumane ka NDA le social development.
The centers are equipped with everything that a child needs, and coupled with training that the department is offering to their teachers, children are getting the best education for their age.
We want to see knowledge being developed. We want to see the social situation of children be improved. We want to see education to be improved. It also goes along with some toys which they use, with some games, outdoor games. It also goes with the food gardens at each and every early childhood development center. It's also along with your grass in front. In other words, the environment is totally changed, making it possible for children to learn, to grow, and actually to know that when they complete their matric, they would have the self-esteem, their dignity will be restored, and they would be in a position to address poverty.
The Department of Social Development says its work is not yet done, and this is just the beginning.
Ngwana ke ntho ya bohlokwa re tshwanela ho hlokomela bekeng ena fela re ntsha re hlokomela jwang mara re dula re hlokomela ka letsatsi le letsatsi selemong se fetileng re le ga etsa qeto re le lefapha la Access Youth re le lefapha la Department of Social Development hore re tlo fetola sebopeo sa di-ECDs re tlo fetola sebopeo sa di-crèche re tlosa di-crèche mokhukhu re kenya bana ba rona ka di-crècheng tse ntle re aile tse supileng ene re motlotlo re di aile e nngwe di ena le bona mafahlaneng ene mafube mona he re entse fela hobane Frankfurt fela re aile le nngwe Villiers a hatse pedi di teng di mona fela le ba di bona Jacobsdal le NDA re qetile re aile ebile re aile ke ka maemo Bloemfontein mara ke mohau he hobane ke mona di-councilor dio tsa dipoleke tse nne re ba member ntho e etsang hore re ahe ka potlako ko hobane ha re lo batla site ha re sokole hona jwale re behetse Otindala re behetse bokae ka bo Helbron mara re batla site tsa tsebe lo dikela re ya di tlosa he mo mme Georgina re tla disa mo re ha hore ke batla wa crash ba re malala la utse ka site so re tla di tlosa he mara selemong se re tse re tlo aha di-crèche ene jwale re tlo kenya le di-crèche tsa bana ba sa itekanelang ene ke motlotlo bane ke a tseba selemong se kgone le ya re lo aha crèche e kwana ho na le motho a na re tshepisitse ha re motho lo kae re tla be re lo ikhaela yona le mane Frankfurt ho na le center bana ba disabled ba ya sokola ba hula ka nkatana le hona mo center eo e budgetetswe mona re lo aha center eno ya disabled children hore le bona ba tshwane le bana ba bang crèche ke ntho ya bohlokwa hobane ke moo bophelo So it's very important. ECDs.
Another problem facing the department is abandoned children and orphans. For most of them, their parents have died as a result of AIDS. And in Kwagwa, such children needed a place they can call home.
Since Usuga Lapa, children have increased. It's now they're having almost 38 children. And most of them are vulnerable children.
You are one of the rare species of South Africa. You are special. Modi pilung tsa rona. Ke a leboga Modimo a le hlokofatse.
And a new home has been built for them.
was the first woman we had a woman by the name of Nkosazana Zuma. She was the first lady. So the name of the center is Nkosazana Zuma Center.
All many wethu walapha eFree State uma ehlangana nesimo sabantwana sinje abese sukuma athatha amanyathelo ukuthi kube khona kwenzayo kwenzela abantu akwenzela abantwana ukuze nabo bathole ukufudumala bathole ukukhula bazi ukuthi bayathandwa. Enye yento eyenza ukuthi kube khona igebengu ezindaka emhlabeni uma abantwana bekhula bebona ukuthi abanakelelwe nenhliziyo zabo ziyaqina ebese beba ngama-criminals. Kodwa uma bethandiwe basondezwe eduze bakhula nabo benothando. Ngijabulela kakhulu lento sengathi ingenzeke endaweni eziningi.
Africa will say, Africa will